Welcome to Windows Server Monitor Troubleshooting with Site 24/7. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to resolve common monitoring challenges quickly and effectively. We are about to cover these common issues users face after installing the server monitoring agent. First, what to do when you've installed the agent but the monitor doesn't show up. Next, we'll look at why your server monitor might not be displaying any data. We'll also dive into causes behind the agent is down status and what it means when your server monitor reports connectivity issues. And finally, we'll explore why alerts might not be reaching you, even if your server is down. Let's start fixing. If your server monitor isn't visible in Site 24/7, start by confirming the agent service is running and that your server can reach Site 24/7 over the network. Check the agent ID in the system tray. And on Cloud VNs, ensure the monitor isn't hidden to prevent duplicates. Monitor setup, but there is no data? The Windows agent uses WMI queries, so a corrupted WMI repository is often the problem. Follow the knowledge base link in the description for step-by-step WMI repair guidance. Are you seeing an agent service down error while your server is actually up? Verify the service isn't disabled. Confirm network connectivity to Site 24/7. And review system logs for any manual or external application stops. Facing errors related to connectivity? First, ensure your network connection is stable. Then, check if the agent service is running. Then, double-check your proxy settings. Whether in use or not, they must match your server's configuration. Didn't receive an alert? Make sure the monitor isn't in maintenance mode. And then, review your polling strategy. Alerts may only fire after a set number of failed polls. Let's recap. Routinely verify agent status, network health, and WMI integrity. Fine-tune your thresholds and polling strategies. For deeper troubleshooting and updates, refer to the official Site 24/7 documentation.